To cut our fabric, first we need to start with a good foundation. So I'm going to match the selvage edges to get my fabric folded on the grain, and then I'm going to iron to remove the wrinkles and get my fabric to lay nice and flat for cutting. Now I'll line up the center fold with a straight line along the bottom of my cutting mat, and then use my rotary cutter and ruler to trim off the uneven edge using the mat as a guide. Now I'm ready to cut my first strip. Since I'm right-handed, I like to cut on the right side of my ruler, and I prefer to use the ruler as my guide for cutting as it's more accurate than my mat. So I'm going to turn my fabric so that I can line the edge up on the left and cut on the right. I'm going to cut a 4.5 inch square, so I'm going to cut this strip 4.5 inches wide. Next, I'll turn this strip and trim the edge to get a straight start, and then continue to cut at 4.5 inch increments so that I'll end up with my 4.5 inch blocks.